everybody, and welcome back to the long drive. If you remember from the last episode, we got a new car, so we need to change into that. So I'm thinking for the pole design, I want to change it up like I have for every vehicle I've done. So I'm gonna climb up on the roof, and this time I want to do like a horn design. But I want to change it up from the previous horn designs I have done. So I'll start by putting this horn on. Here, let me center it a little bit better. Got it. Oh, no. Gotta get it just right. Like right there. Perfect. And then I'm going to take the other pole. And I'm going to, let's see, if I put that one as a horn, I could put this one as to make this a little bit longer. Like, for example, take right there, and then shove it onto, right here. Right there. Perfect. So it kind of like sticks out the end. I kind of like it. But anyways, between episodes I changed the tires, and I think that's everything. So I'm going to take off in my new truck that I made you guys wait until now to hear. So let's fire it up. Oh yeah, listen to it purr. Oh, crap. It's funny. What's the first thing I did when I got my new truck? I crashed it into another vehicle, of course. But, I don't know what that was. Anyways, let's start heading it down the road. Oh shoot, we probably shouldn't be on the, new bus motor while going downhill because it's a bit stronger than our other motor. So going downhill is not as good. I have the parking brake on, and I'm still going decent speeds. At this point, I think the parking brake is weak enough to where that I can probably keep driving with the parking, if I completely stopped, put on the parking brake, and started driving, I'd still be able to move, because we just got a really strong engine, which is nice. So it'll be able to do really strong engine things. But let's continue the drive. I also just remembered that we're back in the desert. I don't remember when that happened on the last one. I'm pretty sure it was in between one of my cuts. So, I'm just gonna sum it up to, my bad. Continue going. We gotta stop up here. We gotta see what we got from the stop. What did we get? Come on. We'll do something good. Whoa. Oh, my engine is way too powerful. No. Here, hold up. Roll down the window. And push. Oh yeah. Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Rabbit, you do not want to do that. He did it anyways. Oh. Okay. Let's see what we got here, because we kind of passed by it. It looks shiny. Oh, dang it. Oh, I think we got one of them pumpkin heads. Brakes. Yeah, we definitely got one of them pumpkin heads. Ooh, we did get one of these spray cans, though. We were looking for one of them. What else did we get? Nothing. Ooh, wait, what's in here? Okay, guys. Also, the only reason I'm holding out my binoculars like this is because I don't have the free space. Here, let me, I'll put this in here for now. And I'll use it at the next stop or something, but I'm gonna go to sleep. You know, I kind of find it nice to actually have a door. It's always nice when you actually have a door. Oh, nice. We're kind of going sideways-ish. Weird. So let's see what is. Oh, we got another downhill coming up. So I should probably start hitting the brakes. So it's not that big of a downhill. And it doesn't look like we're going to have another stop for at least a little while. So I'm going to go back over to the road and just keep driving. Oh, I just hit that rock like it was a jump. Hey, I thought I said my tires weren't allowed to jump off or hop off anymore. So I kind of made a mistake and I forgot to get any spares, so I'm gonna have to go over there and grab that. Thankfully, it's not like on the other end of the universe. Let me push. At least let me get it back on all threes. Wait, no. Now I should just be able to. Hold up. Oh, and then. And we're almost there. Let me just get in and try and drive off. Dang it. This thing's front wheel drive or something. Oh wait. The parking brake. Whoa. Just get me out of this. Alright. Push. So the problem is that my, okay. Okay, so turns out in the long drive, every car is front wheel drive, or at least, or not every car. This car is front wheel drive. Interesting. It doesn't look like we're gonna get another stop for a little bit, though. So that's gonna be a problem. But I was over there. It was that rock right there, right over the tire. I was hitting it thinking, oh, it's just a small rock. What is it gonna do to my truck? I didn't realize that it was gonna my truck was gonna hit it like a jump, fly through the air, pop off one of its tires, and land on another rock. So, I mean, but I don't think really anybody expects that to happen. But thankfully, we can just pop the tire back on and drive off like nothing even ever happened. All we have is the memories of what happened. Alright, so we're coming up on a downhill, so I've already put on the parking brake because I know how this goes. So make sure the parking brakes stay tight. Alright. Oh shoot, parking brake's not engaged. Alright, let's see. Whoa, no. Alright, this way. What? Did you just hear that? That was probably the weirdest bunny screech I've ever heard a bunny screech make. What? It's the weirdest bunny screech I've ever heard a bunny make. Like, it literally sounded like it was computerized. Oh, wait, there's a stop up ahead. It looks like a gas station stop. Oh, whoa, I just realized we're going kind of fast. Yeah, we're going a little fast. And, okay, so parking brakes already engaged, so now hit the brakes. I thought the parking brakes would have just been enough. Alright, let me drive back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how to not overshoot, like, every building that I go to. I gotta remember I have to turn around when I leave. Hold up, let me roll this up. Alright, let's see, what did we get here? Empty, that means we can... Wow, oh, that was a worthless stop. Well, I guess time to get back on the road. You know, it'd be kind of cool if the like zombie AI stuff would, like, if the zombie AI things would actually like walk up to your vehicle and steal it. I mean, that sucks because like that's my car, but at the same time it'd be a cool-ish feature. Also, if you didn't want it to drive away, just remove one of the wheels. But I feel like that'd just be a hassle in the long drive. But it's a cool idea. But back to driving. So we're kind of back in the grass area now, so that's interesting. And we're also about to go down a pretty steep hill. So I've already let off the gas, and I'm literally just gonna let it roll. Once I get to the first rail bump going down, I'm probably gonna hit the parking brake. Alright, and okay, right at this downhill little lump. Alright, parking brake has been engaged. Okay, we're not really going that fast, but at the same time, that's like literally the whole point. Okay, so the parking brake is engaged. Why are we having drag to the left? Okay, alright, let's hit the gas a little bit. Whew. Okay, slowly go down. Or I guess not really slow. Oh, I almost crashed into that rock, and that would have been bad. Okay, well, now we're in the safe-er zone. I actually wonder how much can the tank in the back of my truck hold? Wait, I do want to check that actually. 3,000. That is a lot of liquid for the back of one truck. Too much, some would say. But I don't really care. So back to the road, I guess. Even though I have the new vehicle, I still feel like I'm going slow. Am I low on oil? I'm not gonna ask why I can turn on this seat. I mean, not really. We're still over half. I mean, I don't really think we're that heavy. So let's see. I guess we'll just keep going. I see a house stop over here, and it doesn't look that far off, so I'm gonna drive to it. Oh, it's a haunted house stop. Hooray! Oh, let's head over there. Alright, let's see what we got here. So in the garage, nothing. any people? Nope. I don't really think there's much that can actually spawn at these houses. No, but there's one more thing we can get besides loot from here. Entertainment. Rah! Yeah. Okay, that's kind of cool. Anyways, back to driving. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go up on the road, I guess. Wait! Wait, that's a UFO! That's aliens! And another stop. I didn't realize we went that far. But aliens! No! I'm coming! I'm coming! Oh man, he went into the ground. So we found this other building. I turned off for that stop really far down the road, and I just skipped to up here. Whoa. Oh, whoa. 2 cars. And a, man guy. Quiet. Well, I guess this is probably the one best stop for getting car repair stuff, or not repair, but customized stuff. If I want to customize stuff, I'm in the right place. So let's look down, see anything good. Ooh, sponge. You can clean off that door now. No, not this door. This one. Oh, wait, we can't get that again. Hold up. Let me turn off the engine. Nope. Perfect. Alright, and, oh, yeah. Nice. It's a nice bright green. Now, I want a 2-toned car, but I don't want Christmas. I don't want a Christmas car. Now, red and like navy blue. I thought it was black at first. Black would have looked a bit better. Red and a different shade of red. Actually, you know what? I think this is supposed to be black. So, I'm gonna have black doors now. Yeah, I think this is definitely supposed to be black. And it looks really good. So I'm gonna spray it on this door too. Oh, this door is kind of like a teal. That's nice, but we need darker. Well, we might use all this thing and not even get the door dark enough. Yeah, this door is a lot darker. Huh. That's weird. Well, that's fine. I think it looks better than the Christmas car. But let's see if we can't find something else. Oh yeah, there's a basket. I really don't think there's gonna be much more here. So let's just shove this on this side, I guess. I'll stick this one right. I'll stick it right on the fender. Right here on the fender. Here, no. I need it further out on the fender. Right there, right on the fender. So I guess I'll keep going. Continue the drive. So I've been driving for a while now, and at this point, we're about to come on another downhill. It doesn't seem to be that long, but it does look like there's a stop quite a bit ahead, or not that far ahead, a little bit ahead on the road. So I'm probably gonna end the episode there. So let's just get down there. Oh, oh! I thought that rock was gonna make us fly like most rocks do. So that stuff looks to be a gas station. Tree. Oh, another tree. We didn't need those headlights. No, we didn't need them. We definitely didn't need those headlights. Whoa, it is actually kind of bright. Whoa, okay. Okay. But yeah, definitely looks like there's a lot of the road after this stop. Maybe I should start getting on the brake because I almost always pass my stops. Brake, 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 brake. What? Why'd the road just dip right there? Alright, kill him. Up, turn this off. Put that back on. Wait. Oh man. Okay, there's my mag. Reload that. Now put that away. Now let's see what is at this stop. Oh, from a distance that looked like the hood to like a Charger or something. Cone. Oh. Oh, dang it. Oh, it's a headlight. Kinda need one of those. That was very thoughtful of the game. Perfect, I can hold these two items. Oh no, I'm vulnerable. Now let's see if... Oh, like a glove. Oh. Okay, it's a little bit bright. It definitely doesn't look a little too big. Okay, it looks a little bit big. But it's probably fine. We got plenty of diesel. Wait, how much diesel did we have? 89. Well, I think that's it for the episode. If you enjoyed the video, press like, maybe even consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.